Did you know that over $60 billion worth of treasure remains hidden worldwide? Imagine the thrill of discovering even a piece of it. This video will inspire and guide you on your treasure hunting journey. Stay tuned as we delve into the secrets of finding these lost riches. In this video, you'll discover the secret techniques and tools used by treasure hunters to locate lost riches. We'll guide you through this fascinating world, unveiling strategies that might lead you to hidden wealth. Get ready for an adventure filled with discovery and the thrill of the hunt. Let's dive in. Imagine standing on the brink of an adventure, fueled by a timeless dream, the quest for hidden treasure. For many, this dream sparkles with the allure of discovery, yet remains elusive. Why? Because while the vision of unearthing lost riches is enticing, the path to begin is often obscured by uncertainty. Aspiring treasure hunters, eager to transform fantasy into reality, find themselves asking a pivotal question: where do I start? This challenge, shared by countless enthusiasts worldwide, is the first hurdle in the treasure hunting journey. It's a dilemma that requires more than mere desire. It demands knowledge, strategy, and direction. Without these, the dream risks fading into a mere whisper of possibility. Yet for those willing to face this challenge head-on, the journey can lead to untold rewards. As we delve deeper into this adventure, we'll uncover techniques and strategies that illuminate the way forward. Stay tuned as we navigate through proven methods that can transform your treasure hunting dreams into tangible achievements. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together. In the thrilling world of treasure hunting, various methods have proven effective for both novice and seasoned explorers. Let's delve into some of these fascinating techniques. First, there's metal detecting. This tool has become a staple for treasure hunters, allowing them to uncover hidden gems beneath the Earth's surface. With the right equipment and a bit of patience, metal detecting can lead to remarkable discoveries. Next, we turn to historical maps. These maps are more than just old pieces of paper. They are gateways to the past. By researching and analyzing these maps, treasure hunters can pinpoint potential locations where treasures might still be buried, waiting to be unearthed. Finally, joining treasure hunting communities is invaluable. These groups offer a wealth of knowledge and experience, providing tips and support that can significantly enhance your treasure hunting journey. By connecting with like-minded enthusiasts, you gain insights that might otherwise take years to discover on your own. As we explore these methods, remember that each step brings you closer to your treasure hunting goals. Stay tuned as we reveal a game-changing tip that can dramatically increase your success in this adventurous pursuit. The journey continues with new discoveries just around the corner. Imagine standing on the brink of discovery, knowing that one crucial tip could dramatically change your treasure hunting success. This is it, the game-changing moment you've been waiting for. The secret lies not just in the tools or maps, but in the power of persistence. For every treasure hunter, the journey is fraught with challenges, but those who persist, who embrace each obstacle as part of the adventure, find themselves closer to unearthing hidden riches. Persistence isn't just a trait, it's a strategy, a commitment to keep searching when others might give up. It fuels your determination and sharpens your instincts, guiding you through the maze of possibilities. As you dig deeper into this world of treasure hunting, let persistence be your compass. It will lead you to places unseen and opportunities untapped. Remember, each step forward, each moment of perseverance, brings you closer to that thrilling find. So gear up, stay the course, and unlock the treasure that's waiting just for you. With this powerful tip in hand, you're now ready to take your treasure hunting to the next level. Join us as we delve into more strategies that will set you on the path to success. As we conclude, remember the essential strategies we've uncovered for finding hidden treasures. Persistence and thorough research are your keys to success. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or just beginning, these tools will guide you. Did you find this video valuable? Explore more treasure hunting tips on my channel and join the conversation in the comments below. Your next great adventure awaits, and with the right approach, you might just discover the riches that lie hidden beneath the surface. Keep digging, keep dreaming, and always stay curious. Until next time, happy hunting.